People, welcome to Night Out Notes. In today's video, we'll understand the concept of transactions in detail. Think like you are sending some amount to your friend through UPI. But money got debited from your account, but due to the network issue, your friend doesn't receive your money. What should happen? Your money disappeared? No, right? This is why exactly transactions are used. Transaction is a sequence of one or more database operations performed as a single logical unit of work. Like a transaction is simply a group of operations that database treats as a complete task. Let's understand this single logical unit of work. Like this word looks very much difficult and that might confuse you, but let's understand using a simple example. Think you are withdrawing some amount from your ATM. What happens? Your ATM balance got decreased, then ATM gives you cash, right? So both operations belongs to one single task. This is what known as a single logical unit of work. It represents change in database. Whenever a transaction occurs, some changes happen in the database, right? So that's what we call it as changes occurred. The changes are known as the transactions. Like the examples are like bank transfer, ATM withdrawal, Amazon order, UPI payment, everything will be considered as the transaction itself. Transactions are mainly used to maintain data accuracy. Like make sure the information like the data which was stored in the database should be always correct. Next, prevent data loss. If the system crashes or electricity goes off, then database should not lose that important data from the database. This is what called as prevent data loss. Next, ensure data consistency. Consistency means the database always remain the correct state. Like if some amount leaves from one account, the same such amount only. Let us consider the amount was 1000 rupees. If 1000 rupees leaves one amount, the same 1000 rupees should reflect the another account, right? So the remaining total account should be left same. Next, handle system failure and execute multiple operations safely. Sometimes system crashes because of hardware failure and network failure, anything, right? So transactions make sure that the incomplete work should be cancelled out. So in this transaction, many users can also perform the work simultaneously without any issues and errors. We are having these operations in this transaction like read operation, write operation, commit and rollback. Read just allow the access to view the database. What are all the amount you are having in the database? Like a person having 1000 rupees in his bank account. Using this operation read, we can only see what are all the amount he is having in his bank account. But we cannot do anything with that thing, right? We can just access it, that's it. Next, write. Updating or inserting the data will be there in that specific database or else in that specific account. This write operation was used. Commit. After completing all the transactions, using this commit operation, we can permanently save all those changes. Rollback. If accidentally any miscalculation or else transaction was occurred, we can just cancel out the things, right? So the transactions which are done previously like without commit command, which all will get rollback into its original state. This is what called as the rollback. Let me show you an example using this transaction operations. Like a person having a person A having amount 1000 in his bank, a person B having 2000 rupees in his bank. Person A wants to send amount to person B, like 500. Person A willing to send 500 rupees to person B. What will happen in the transaction? Let's see clearly. Here let's see. In this bank, let's consider this as a bank account. We'll read A. Like what are all the amount is there in the bank of A, we are reading. So that will be 1000 rupees, right? Next we need to perform an arithmetic operation like A is equals to A minus 500. We already know A is having 1000 rupees, right? So from that 1000 rupees, 500 rupees are getting deducted from the bank account A. So that's what we are writing. See. Next, write A. We are updating bank account, that we are minusing the amount, like we are reducing the amount from bank account A. Like write A minus 500. So what we are having right now? Write A minus 500. This is what we updated. Next we need to read A. Next the balance left was 500, right? Balance was left. We don't know whether the money got credited into the account of B or not, right? So next we read B. The amount will be like 2500. Here 1000 will be replaced by 500 and 2000 will be replaced by 2500. This is what the transaction generally happen. After doing this, next we'll write commit. If the transaction was perfectly done, after writing this commit command, everything was permanently saved into the database. So there will be no objections or no errors in that. If there also, the transaction will be permanently saved. If they want to do again, they will retrieve back the transaction. That will be not possible in that. If any transaction was accidentally done, like let's consider an ATM. In ATM, a person wants to take amount 1000. Instead of 1000, he accidentally entered 10,000. What happens? We cannot take 10,000, right? There will be an option called cancel at the end. That will act as a rollback. Like we are not performing any transaction completely without the commit command, right? So we use this rollback and we'll go to the original state without any transaction was done. All these things, actions will be accessed also. After using this rollback, we can go to this original state. This is what all about the transaction. Hope you like this video. Until then, don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you will get more informative videos like this. If you found this video really helpful, please like and share. Meet you in another video. Bye bye.